On February 16, 2007, a catastrophic incident occurred at a Texas refinery. A cracked propane control station pipe released liquid propane, sparking a massive fire in the propane deasphalting unit. This tragic event injured 4 people, caused extensive damage, and led to a refinery shutdown for 2 months. The total losses exceeded $50 million. What happened? At 2:09 p.m., employees at the propane deasphalting (PDA) unit heard a loud pop. Moments later, they observed what initially appeared to be steam escaping near the control station at the number 1 extractor tower. However, this was not steam, it was liquid propane leaking from a crack in the control station piping. The propane, under high pressure, quickly formed a vapor cloud. This highly flammable cloud drifted downwind toward the boiler house and likely encountered an ignition source. Within seconds, the vapor ignited, causing flames to flash back to the leak source. The intense heat compromised the structural integrity of a nearby steel support column, which lacked protective fireproofing. The column buckled under the stress, leading to the collapse of an east-west pipe rack. This collapse ruptured multiple pipelines, releasing additional liquid petroleum products that fueled the fire further. The blaze spread quickly, damaging critical equipment, including the number 2 cooling tower and the number 4 naphtha column. At 2:10 p.m., just 1 minute after the initial pop, the refinery's fire alarm was activated. Emergency response teams were dispatched, approaching the fire from the south. Despite their efforts to deploy fire water monitors, high winds and the rapid growth of the fire limited their effectiveness. By 2:26 p.m., recognizing the growing danger, refinery managers issued a full evacuation order. The decision was driven by the collapse of the pipe rack, the continuous rupture of pressurized pipes, and the risk of catastrophic failure of propane-filled extractor vessels engulfed in flames. This evacuation prioritized the safety of workers and responders in a situation that was deteriorating rapidly. What are the root causes? 1. Inadequate freeze protection. The refinery lacked a formal program to identify and safeguard deadlegs or unused piping against freezing, leading to cracks in the propane control station. 2. Emergency isolation failures. Procedures for isolating flammable materials during emergencies were not applied to the propane deasphalting unit. 3. Insufficient fireproofing. Fireproofing standards for support structures near high-pressure flammable systems were not robust enough to prevent structural collapse during jet fires. Key lessons and recommendations. Develop better freeze protection guidelines, including regular inspections. Update fireproofing standards to account for jet fire risks. Mandate rapid isolation systems for flammable processes. Ensure emergency isolation valves are in place for high-risk areas. Introduce freeze protection programs and enhance fireproofing measures. Transition from hazardous materials like chlorine to safer alternatives, such as sodium hypochlorite, in cooling systems. Thank you for watching.